The second trial for the man accused of murdering Ole Miss student Jimmie Jay Lee. Lee disappeared more than 3 years ago. His body was found just weeks after the first trial ended in a hung jury. ABC 24's Leah Williams gives us a timeline of key moments in this years-long case.
Justice for Jay Lee!
Ole Miss student Jimmie Jay Lee was last seen leaving his Oxford apartment in the early morning hours of July 8, 2022. Later that day, his mother reported him missing. It was her birthday, and she was worried because she couldn't reach him.
It was not a day that would go by that we would not communicate with each other.
Friends and family remained hopeful that Lee would return home.
It all started with Jay Lee missing. I think that everyone stayed pretty hopeful and optimistic.
Until Sheldon Timothy Harrington Jr. was arrested and charged with murder a few weeks later. Investigators believe Harrington and Lee had a sexual relationship. They say Lee went to visit Harrington the night he died.
When he's headed over, right before he gets there, just a mere minutes, Timothy searches how long does it take to strangle someone.
Despite the defense noting that Lee's body still had never been found in an August 2022 preliminary hearing.
0 DNA evidence, blood, urine, trace evidence whatsoever.
The case went to trial in December 2024. The trial ended in a hung jury and was declared a mistrial, but the case didn't end there.
How many more mornings we have to wake up and Jay's been missing?
In February 2025, Lee's remains were found in Carroll County, more than an hour south of Oxford.
The timing with the trial, being a mistrial and now Hunter's stumbling upon his remains, it's awful in all regards.
Then Harrington was charged again with capital murder. He was also charged with evidence tampering, which was dismissed by a judge in October. The Mississippi State Medical Examiner's Office announced that Lee's cause of death could not be determined.
It has literally been a nightmare.
In this second trial, jury selection begins today in Canton, Mississippi, just north of Jackson. Once selected, the jury will be transported to Oxford for the remainder of the trial. In Oxford, I'm Leah Williams.